How to remix Snap on the Snapchat app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually remix your Snap on the Snapchat app. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to simply make sure we have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. So head over to your device's app store, in the search box type in Snapchat, and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After we've actually updated Snapchat app, I'm going to simply open Snapchat. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are also logged into your account. So go ahead and simply make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to remix a snap on Snapchat, first of all, we are going to simply tap on this friends icon, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the friends icon, let's say you actually remix a certain friend snap, so you can simply select any of the friends snap right over here. You can go ahead and simply select their snap, and in order to view their story, simply tap on them. Now what you want to do is simply long press on this story right over here. As you long press on it, here you'll find another option which says to actually remix your snap. So you can see this option right over here which says to actually remix our snap. So we are going to go ahead and simply tap on the remix snap button. Now here what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and try to record or snap right over here, and then you can see microphone is actually occupied because I'm currently recording. But what you can do is simply also take a screenshot right over here, and then you can go ahead and remix the snap in this way. Now if you want to send this, you can tap on the send button at the bottom right hand side of the screen in order to send it to the friend of whose snap you're actually trying to remix. So this was the way on how you could very easily remix Snap on the Snapchat app. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.